Hello, welcome back guys to the first video in the Discord series. In this video I'm going to tell you a new feature of Discord, which is sound pack. So to access it, go to your Discord and make sure you restart it before going there. Then go to your user settings and scroll down till find notifications, and in notifications you will have this option like sound pack, and there will be a drop down menu and it will have sound effects. So well, this is the new feature, and here it's a classic, which is the default Discord sounds which every Discord app has. So I will just let you hear them. What are they? Probably you know them. And yeah, so second pack, first pack, this is the chaos pack. So listen to this. Now I will show you the third pack, actually second, which is Lil Yachi. I don't know how to pronounce.
Y'all is too
Listen
much,
to this.
man. Talk to me. Cut the mic. Turn me up. See you, dog. Beep. Boop. No, wow, you got friends, huh? Easy come, easy go. Now pick it up, man. This little boat calling you. This once in a lifetime chance. Fool, pick up this call. Ring, ring. Dog, answer. It's your homies. You not gonna answer? So you just sitting there. You just gonna do what you do, and you not gonna answer this call. You not gonna answer this call right now. You seriously not gonna answer this call. Man, answer the call. Man, answer the call. Answer the call. It's showtime, baby. Let's go, baby. Well, goodbye. And about time the fans pulled up. What's up? No loyalty.
Now I will show the third pack, which is a little funny, which is my uncle. So listen to this.
Hello? Knock it off. What a ruckus. Turn it down. I tell ya. The Wi-Fi's broken.
Huh? Huh?
Hey, kiddo. Catch you kiddos later. More the merrier. Knock, knock. Who's there? Hello? Dang Wi-Fi off? Is this a selfie? Is this thing on? Well, okay then.
And yes, that were all the 3 packs. So yeah, I will choose this one and show you that they really work. I mean, so
Y'all is too much, man. Talk to me. Cut the mic.
yeah,
Turn me up.
you hear, right? It works. Now let's try to join a voice channel and see.
Doo-doo.
See, it worked when someone DM'd me also. And let's join a voice channel. Yeah, here's the voice channel.
No, wow, you got
So
friends, huh?
sound played. Now let's try to leave the voice channel,
See you, dog.
and again it played. So yeah, the sound packs really work, and I don't know for how much time they are going to be in Discord, but yes, they are. And that's was it for this one video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and again it is in notifications in your user settings. So check it out. And yeah, join the Discord server, link in the description. And yeah, see you in the next video. Comment what should be it, Discord one, and bye.